in the enchantment of his smile. You didn't even notice how his hand slipped into your pocket, and a pocket watch somehow appeared before your eyes. You check your pocket to control that you see right. How fate plays an evil plan. Time seemed to have stopped. A minute felt more like an hour. Your legs don't want to move. Your head is full of million thoughts. How will you get out of this situation? Stay tuned for the next one.